How to cancel your Google Meet subscription. So first is you just simply need to click on your account right here on the top right, then click on manage your Google account. Now once you're here, you just simply need to go to payments and subscriptions. So from there, just scroll down till you see the manage subscriptions or the subscription section. So currently I have the Google One subscription, but just simply click on manage subscriptions to expand it just like this. Then click on the subscription that you want to cancel. So let's say I want to cancel this one. Then it will bring you right here and this pop-up will show up and it will show you all of the details of your payment and subscription. And there's also an option to cancel the subscription right here. So if you want to cancel it, just simply click on cancel subscription. And here you will need to pick a reason on what's making you cancel the subscription. So you can decline to answer if you want, then click on continue. And this will show up, which says that your subscription will be canceled at the end of your billing period on when your billing period will end. And it will assure you that you won't be charged anymore right there. Then you simply click on cancel subscription right here if you want to confirm the cancellation. Then wait for it to load. And as you can see, my Google subscription has been canceled just like that. So click on OK. And if you want to resubscribe or manage it, you just simply need to go back right here, then click on resubscribe. That is how you basically cancel a Google Meet subscription.